So yeah, morning. Join me today walking at the Ashby Woulds Heritage Trail. Just dropped the other half off at work, so thought I'd try somewhere new today. Just walking through some fields at the moment to get to the start. I managed to park at park somewhere a bit further away, but yeah, as I say, just a field at the moment. So, as always, if you find anything interesting or anything nice, we'll bring you back. So yes, I'll see you shortly. So yes, now we're on the trail now, as you can see behind. Just joined in probably a couple hundred metres after the start, and it's just dropping from up there. A little bit of walk along, just a flat trail. Pop out onto the road, under the motorway, and then back in. And yeah, we're going, as you can see. So yeah, bring you back later. So yeah, just underneath the M42, A42, 40? I don't know which one. Just about to get back on the trail now. Yeah. So we'll see where it takes us. It's properly signposted. So I'll get into a sign now, so I'll show you. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Anyway, I say, find anything else interesting, we'll bring you back. See you in a bit. So yeah, I see tent season at Winfield's outdoor shop. They're just setting up all the tents again, the outdoor display. So as I walk past the back of their compound. Yeah. We uploaded my first video last night, the first one I did. Few major rookie mistakes really. First and foremost being that I filmed it all in portrait mode, so it looked good on my phone when I was doing it. But when you come to put it on a laptop screen, so we'll have to just one of them. So I think this is about the third or fourth recording I'm doing now. So hopefully I'll get a little bit better now with each one. As I say, I'm only using my phone at the moment. I think my GoPro is a bit old now, so I might have to try and dig that out. Maybe give me a bit of another angle. But we'll see. I need to get a stick for this though, because it's killed my arm and hold it up. Anyway, yep. See you later. Oh, lovely souvenir there. So we're en route now to a place called Ashby Furnace. Moira Furnace. When we get there, I'll give you a quick show around. I'm assuming by the name that it's a furnace of some kind, and it's right next to a canal, so it obviously had something to do along them lines anyway. So, yep, I'll bring you back when we get there, because it's rather muddy and slidey underfoot, and I'll end up going nice over to it, so see you in a bit. Yeah, so we're not far from the end now, back to the car, so I'll end this clip here. I'm just going to walk up alongside the A42 and then just drop back down to where the car's parked. So as again, any advice, tips, drop them down below in the comments and I'll try and get better at doing these. And if there's anything else you want to see, drop it down and we'll see. Right then, thanks for coming. See you later.